Your 20s can either build your life or destroy it. The scary part is, most people don't realize they wasted their 20s until they turn 30. Right now, you think you have time. You think you can start later. You think success can wait. It can't. Your 20s are not for comfort. They are not for partying every weekend. They are not for endless scrolling. Your 20s are for building the life you want to live forever. And if you don't use them correctly, you will pay for it later. Part 2. The biggest lie about your 20s. Society tells you your 20s are for finding yourself. But what does that really mean? For most people, it becomes sleeping late, scrolling endlessly, jumping from one distraction to another, waiting for motivation. Years pass, and nothing changes. Your 20s are not for finding yourself. Your 20s are for creating yourself. The person you become in this decade will define the rest of your life. Part 3. You are building your future right now. Every day in your 20s is a vote for your future. Every habit you build, every skill you learn, every hour you waste is shaping your life. The problem is that results don't show immediately. Bad habits feel harmless today, but they become painful later. Good habits feel hard today, but they become powerful later. Your future is quietly being built by your daily routine. Part 4. What most 20-year-olds get wrong. Most people in their 20s chase entertainment instead of growth. They spend hours consuming content but never creating anything. They talk about goals but never build systems. They wait for the perfect time, but the perfect time never comes. You don't need more time. You need more focus. Part 5. Do this instead. The turning point. If you want your 30s to be successful, your 20s must be uncomfortable. Here is what you should focus on. Build skills that make money. Learn communication. Learn sales. Learn technology. Learn how the internet works. Skills create freedom. Degrees don't guarantee success. Skills do. Part 6. Invest in yourself daily. Your greatest asset in your 20s is not money, it is time and energy. You can lose money and earn it back. You cannot lose time and get it back. Read books, exercise daily, learn new skills, network with ambitious people. Your future self is watching you right now. Part 7. Discipline over motivation. Stop waiting to feel ready. You will never feel ready. The people who succeed are not more motivated, they are more disciplined. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. Part 8. Your future is watching you. Imagine yourself at 30 years old. Will you be proud or full of regret? Will you say, "I'm glad I worked hard," or "I wish I started earlier"? That decision is being made today. Your 20s are your foundation decade. What you build now will support the rest of your life. Stop wasting time. Stop waiting for motivation. Stop living on autopilot. Start building. Start learning. Start becoming. Your future starts today. Subscribe for more mindset and self-improvement videos.